The today discussion is about B2B sites in USA. These sites are B2B business to business websites on in USA. So before starting our video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family, press the bell icon for new notification. The first site is next step for B2B marketplace is to my e-commerce. The second one is one B2B marketplace. Check out for B2B marketplace companies. ECRM digital leading B2B process. Contact us to learn by most about US. And list the USA B2B websites. B2B sites. Best B2B site portal in India. Shared B2B. Business to business. What is B2B? These sites let visitors get more, two or more quotes from suppliers to sellers. B2B marketplace. B2B business means that business to business mean you are dealing your product about your product to one business to the second business. Companies list about in USA. The first one is USA dropship suppliers. The second one is VSC to USA companies list in USA. B2B companies in USA cite top results. Companies in USA B2B USA needs B2B leads as base leads. Then for B2B source marketplace payment. B2B e-commerce. B2B marketplace book and demo. Market for B2B companies award winning for marketing agencies. Indirectory in companies sites websites. We trade private label market. B2B trades snail BB cushions. New designs for new design cloth designs for women. Need B2B lead.